DIY planters idea, using old coffee mugs as planters. I had some old coffee mugs at home, so see what I have done with them. I used them in my indoor gardening. I used it in my home gardening decor. So if you're a person who would love to decor your home, especially indoors, with some indoor plants in coffee mugs, follow these steps. So I will be sharing with you how to fill this cup with the soil, how to plant and how to take care of them. So stay tuned to Tamara's Garden. DIY planters. I have reused all the coffee mugs as planters. So these are the plants that you can easily grow in these coffee mugs. First one is the pothos. These are pothos plants. They are well rooting plants. Do not select new stems for these coffee mugs. Always select well grown plants. So these are pothos plants in the first place. They are really very easy to grow. You can see how beautifully they are growing in my coffee mugs. And here also I have a beautiful plant. So these are all pothos plants. And next I have spider plant here. And also recently I planted some snake plants. And here's a sansevieria. And this is about 3 months old. And here I have some aloe vera, syngonium plants, and also this is a flowering plant. So you can see many plants, many varieties of indoor plants growing in coffee mugs. Tip number 1 is to keep them near a window so that these plants will get the filtered sunlight. We know plants need some sunlight to grow. They need some sunlight. So keep it to get filtered sunlight near a window. That is tip number 1. If these mugs are without drainage holes, you have to double take care of these plants. First tip is to water them every other day, and also you can mist-spray these plants every morning. Give them a good mist-spray in the morning, and by that these plants are hydrated and moistured. This is one of the things that you can keep these plants healthy. So this is one of the things that I do to keep them really very healthy growing. So that is tip number 2. At the beginning of the video, I told you all that you will have to select a well-rooting plant. Never select plants without any roots. Never select stem cuttings for these coffee mug planters. So always select well-rooting plants so that the plant will grow beautifully and healthily. That is tip number 3. Select all low maintenance indoor plants, so even if you forget to water them a day or two, these plants will not dry out, or there will be no damage for the plant. So always select ornamental plants that are low maintenance. That is tip number 4. When considering about the space, when the plants are overgrown, you will have to transfer them to some other right pot. So until such time you can keep them in the same mug, but after the plant's growth you will have to transfer them to some other plant. So likewise, maintain these plants. Here are some of the plants that are without drainage hole. This is without a drainage hole. This is with a drainage hole. So now you can maintain both like that. With or without drainage holes, these plants you can grow in coffee mugs. So I will show you now how to grow these plants in a coffee mug, what is the soil and how I arrange it. Now here I have a new coffee mug. There's no drainage hole in this. So I will show you how to fill this mug and what is the procedure step by step. So this is really very important to know how to use this mug without the drainage hole. So the first layer will be some construction rocks. So I'm going to put some construction rocks at the bottom. You don't need much, but you need a couple of construction rocks at the bottom. So now I have put the construction rocks. After that I am going to put the soil. So now this is the soil mixture I have taken, and I have selected the wandering Jew plant. So now our DIY planter is ready, coffee mug planter, and I'm going to spray water to this wandering Jew plant. So here's my Sansevieria in a mug. So you can keep them indoors as a decorative plant. You can decor your living room, your bedroom, or washrooms even. You can keep these in your bathroom because some of them are air purification plants. So likewise, this is really very handy and beautiful for decoration. So this is the idea of decorative plants in coffee mugs. So easily you can use them, and I have explained everything in this video. So hope this is useful to you. If you are new, consider subscribing. Don't forget to give it a big like, and do comment also in the comment section. If you have any questions, please do write to me. Thanks for watching.